Hi everybody, welcome to the Driven Dave YouTube channel. I'm really glad to have you with me. Today's video, we're going to be checking out this really cool Florich blow suction ventilated car seat cushion. And they were nice enough to send this to me just in time for the hot summer months. And if you're anything like me, you've got an older Tesla. This is a 2022 Model 3. I don't have ventilated seats, but we're going to change that today. So check it out. So this is going to be a pretty simple video. As you can see, I've already routed the power cable just out of my center console here. It comes with a standard 12 volt plug, like the old school style kind of cigarette lighter plug. And the nice thing about that is it's also going to give you an additional USB-A and USB-C. So it really kind of gives you more functionality, which is terrific. Here's the power cord. And that's just going to plug into the seat cushion, and I'm going to show you how that all works in just a second. It should also be noted, this comes with a nice instruction sheet, and it's two-sided. I'll put screenshots up there so that you can take a look and get an idea for how it works and all of that. Now, I've cheated, and I've already kind of used this a little bit. I wanted to kind of check it out first and before I did a video, just so that I knew how it worked and how it felt and all of that. So it's really pretty simple. I'm going to get this out of the way. But so all you have to do, there are kind of three ways to attach it. There's this, which wraps around the back of the seat. And truthfully, I didn't even bother with this because it didn't need it. And it's also got these little clips to attach to the bottom of the seat, which you could do. But if you're like me, I'm just going to throw it over the top here. And that actually did a good enough job. It's a really stable unit. It's got this nice thick padding here. And it really adds a lot of support to the seat. So, if you like a good firm seat, I think you're really going to like this. And it provides that nice cooling ability during the heat. Now, there's a little plug right here. So we're going to just plug this in like that. So now we'll get a better kind of shot of this really beautiful power button here. And when you sit down, it actually turns on, but I'm going to go ahead. That's going to show you, and I'll hold my mic up so you can hear it. Those fans are doing their thing. And you can really feel it. And then that's kind of a medium, and that's low. So I think it's red is high, green is medium. Sorry, red is high, blue is medium, and green is low. So you can see and go through all those different cycles. And it really works. Now, one thing that I thought was really cool, you can see right now it's on, and then if I get up, it turns off. And I sit down, it turns back on. Show you again, off, back on. So as you can see, it's only working when you're sitting in it, and it really feels nice. So on those really hot days, I mean, luckily, I'm by the beach right now, so it's only about 73 degrees, but still feels really nice to have that fresh air kind of cooling my clothes and not getting all sweaty. Because, these seats, they don't breathe the best in these Teslas. And what's really great about this little attachment, or, cover, whatever you want to call it, if you have another car at home and it doesn't have cooled seats, hey, it's real easy. Just pull it off, throw it in that car, and you're good to go. All right, so there you have it. A huge thank you to Florich for sending out this really cool, literally cool seat cover. And be sure to look at the link in the description. I'll have any discount codes available so I can pass the savings along to you. And I would really appreciate it if you use my link. Also, be sure to check out the Florich website. You can actually search by your vehicle, by the year, make, and model, and see what they have available. They make a whole variety of seat covers and all kinds of neat stuff. So like I said, I'll have some discounts for you in the description. All the stuff on there seems to be really affordably priced and really high quality. So I'm really impressed with this cover so far. It works really well. And it also has an automatic battery cutoff. So I think after 2 hours of no operation, it cuts off so as not to drain your car's battery. So I'm really impressed with that. I think it feels great and it looks nice. So get one for yourself. See what you think, especially like it's July right now, so it's gonna be hot.